So do you basically train the army personals or their managers? First question.
So we've done limited assignments, so to say. I have to clarify that. But when we work with them, there are different kind of sessions that we've done. It's been in the training format. And we work with the Special 26. You might have heard
Okay.
about
Yes,
them, right?
yes,
So
correct.
NGS is also
Yes,
how
yes.
they are known as. So we've done different sessions. One was around how to just understand comfort signals around discomfort. A lot of them protect VVIPs, right?
Okay.
So there are a lot of these instances where somebody is showing the intention to attack. You could have made it out in split second before it happened if you were observant about the body language before that instance.
Wow.
So understanding that can really mean the difference between saving lives and trying to save lives, right? So that's something we've done for negotiations, because sometimes not the entire team but some parts of that team could also be coming in after the negotiator is just stepping out or at that point. So understanding that hostage situation and how that is working out. We've talked about networking events, because a lot of these army officials, they go into these networking events, they are meeting their seniors. How to know that the senior is open to conversing, not conversing. We've done family life, because a lot of times the personnel, they come back home for a very limited time. So the spouses need to be able to ensure that they know what's going on and make them feel good. So something around family bonding, emotional intelligence. We've even this is in the pipeline, we've not done this, but this is something that's coming up, which is when they enter into a room, in a split second they have to be able to know whether this person is a friend or a foe, right?
Wow.
So if you observe very carefully, I'm sure if you've seen detective series and all, you would know left-handed eye, right-handed eye, things like that. So these kind of signals anyways they are picking up, but
Okay.
where is that intention to hide, or where is that intention to indicate something but be something else? How close is the person to a situation, not to a situation? All that within seconds, if you have to pick up, you have to be really really accurate at picking up the body language cues. So our intention is not to teach them, they have already been trained on that. The intention is to just validate it for them, because picking up the gun and firing is not an easy thing to do, not for anybody, right? So if they are somewhere confirmed that what you're picking up from people is the right body language, it just helps them to take the decision more confidently. So that's where our role comes in.
Wow.